Local news for Friday the 11th of September. Lighthouse Gin has taken out a gold medal at the prestigious International Wine and Spirit Competition in London. The small batch gin was awarded a gold medal with 95 points in the London Dry Gin category. Distiller Rachel Hall says the win can be attributed to the fact that every batch of gin has the same attention to detail, delivering the small handcrafted taste in every bottle. The Wairarapa Eco Farm is opening its gates during Antiura Organic Week. They'll show you around different vegetable gardens, a spiral herb garden and glasshouses, as well as interaction with farm animals from 10 a.m. tomorrow. The Masterton District Council is looking for engineers and fabricators that can make street furniture, like rubbish bins, tables and benches, to be used in the town centre revamp. Anyone keen are asked to contact the council. And Deputy Prime Minister and New Zealand First Leader Winston Peters will be in the region on Sunday visiting the Big Wai Art Sale. Finally, in sport, both Alford hockey sides will take on Hutt United away tomorrow. The men currently 2 points above Hutt in first place, while the women are first equal but second on goal difference with also the Hutt United side. So good luck to both teams for tomorrow. Kia ora. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.